Are you an aesthetic practice owner who is ready to take things to the next level? If your business is between 6 months and 3 years, we're introducing a new program designed just for you. Join us on May 17th to the 19th for Xccelerator, a 3-day weekend retreat focused on building your success. Over the course of 3 days, you will meet with expert advisors in one-on-one sessions to enhance your legal, HR, compliance, marketing, operations, and financial strategies. You and up to 2 members of your team can also participate in hands-on, guided sessions where you'll roll up your sleeves and work on key areas of your practice. You'll walk away with a compensation plan, performance review metrics, a social media plan, a membership blueprint, and so much more. In addition to what you'll learn on-site, as part of your participation, our experts will also audit your website, review key workflows inside your practice, partner with you to build professionally shot videos, and provide you with a multitude of checklists and how-to guides for key areas of your operations. As part of the Xccelerator program, you'll join 14 other practices in a private community where you can exchange ideas, share best practices, and tackle challenges together. Join us live at the Omni Las Colinas in the greater Dallas area for a weekend led by experts and focus on improving every aspect of your business. This event is limited to only 15 practices to ensure that every attendee can take full advantage of the practical education, experiential learning, and personalized mentorship throughout the retreat. In order to attend, you must apply so we can ensure we match the right team with your unique needs. Put your practice on the fast track to long-term success by attending Xccelerator. To learn more about this high-impact program and submit your application, visit aestheticrecord.com/Xccelerator.